Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma Costa with Mommy's Designs. In my channel, you will be seeing videos on how to do different kinds of DIYs, from printing to screen printing, to making jewelry, to making ornaments, a whole bunch of different ideas that I have for you. Let's not wait any longer and let's go to the table. For this video, we're going to create a small rosary. I'm going to show you two different ways to make it. One way is so that you can use it to sell as a party favor for quinceañeras, baptisms, and whatever occasion that people used to give party favors. And the other way that I'm going to show you is so that you can use it. I'm working on a video to make this here, and if you can tell, this is an RIP heart, resin heart, and it has the rosary inside there, if you can see. So let me go ahead and show you and tell you what we need for this video. You're going to be needing two color beads. You're going to need 18 beads color, and then you need 5 in a different color, and I chose this, which is slightly smaller. And you're going to be needing a cross. My cross is about maybe 3/4 of an inch in length. And then you're going to be needing 26 gauge or 28 gauge wire. You're going to be needing your cutters. You're going to be needing your pliers. These two different ones. So the first thing that you're going to do is, if you're going to make a rosary, and let me show you the rosary much closer. So this is how it looks. You're going to need 5 sets of 3 for the top of it, and then 1 set of 3 for the bottom. In order to make it for, like, if you want to sell them as a party favors, so you are going to go ahead and grab your wire, and you're going to go ahead and make the first loop. So you're going to go here, and you're just going to go around and twist twice to secure it. Again, this is for the party favors. And then you're going to go ahead and cut it. And then you're going to cut it about 1.5 inches. You don't have to measure. You don't really have to measure. And then you go ahead and put your first bead in. And then you're going to leave like 2 millimeters right there, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to use the aid of your little pliers, and you're going to go around in circle 1 and 2 times. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and cut it. And then what you're going to do, you're going to grab the end of your wire again, and then you're going to go ahead and make 1 loop. Just cross it, just like that. Then you're going to take it off and put your one side of the one that you already have done and bring it in. So it's inside. Once you have it inside, you're going to bring your little pliers inside to hold it. Just like that. And then you can either do it with your hand. 1 and 2, or you can also use the plier. Okay, and then you cut, and then you go ahead and cut again and bring the other one, and you go ahead and put another one, and you keep going that way. Okay, the other way, you're just going to go ahead and make your first loop just like that. This is like when you're going to make a rosary to put inside your resin. So you go ahead and cut it there. You put the other side. You make a loop on the other side. And there it is. Then you're going to go ahead and make all of them. If you decide to do the rosary to sell as a party favor, then you're going to do 3 of the same color and one of a different color. 3 of the same color, 1 of a different color. If you want 5 sets. Just like that. 5 sets. Okay, so let's go ahead and do all of these. Okay, all my pieces are already done, 5 and 18. So now we're going to start putting everything together. So basically what you're going to do is use your pliers, and you're just going to open one side. And we're going to put together 3 of the one color. I'm using the purple square. So that's 2. And that's 3. So you have 3 of them. And now you're going to put one of the other ones, one of the other color. This is very, very super easy. So you're going to go ahead and do 5 sets where you're going to end up with 3 of one color and 1 of the other color. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that and come back. Okay, here we go. We have 5 and 4. So 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So now what we're going to do, and here we have 3 and 1. So what you're going to do, you are going to get the side where you have only the one color. And then you're going to go ahead and open your loop on that side. So now we're just going to connect the side where we have 3 beads and 1 bead. We're going to grab on the side where there's only one bead, one color bead. And then we're going to go ahead and bring it together. Just like that. Okay, we're going to close it. Okay, so here's the first part of your rosary. And all you basically need to do is open this side, open the other side here, and go ahead and put the cross inside. So we go ahead and put the cross inside and we close it. And there it is, very easy. And in the description box, I'm going to go ahead and add links of the items that we use for this video. Other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.